Hello students, it is my another lecture of biology for class 10th. In our previous video, we are discussing the topic excretion. That is the part of chapter first, life process, and we already discussed the about the uh, internal structure of kidney. In this video, we will discuss the topic the structural or functional unit of kidney, that is nephron. Functional unit of kidney, that is basically filtrate the blood and remove nitrogenous waste substance from the blood. Okay, nephrons are the some small tubes like structure which are present in the kidney. Their number is about 10 to 12 lakh in each kidney. What are the structure of nephron? Uh, let us study the structure of nephron with the help of a simple diagram. So it is the structure of nephron. It is divided into two parts. First is unified tubules or Bowman's capsule, and second is secretory tubule. Bowman's capsule is a cup-shaped structure that carry a network of blood capillaries. The afferent arterioles take the blood into the Bowman's capsule for filtration, and efferent arteriole take the filtrate blood and moves into arteries. Okay, this network of blood capillaries is called glomerulus, and the harmful waste product that is filtrate from the blood will be carried by this tube-like structure, that is secretory tubule. The secretory tubule initial part is called proximal convoluted tubule. Then further its U-shaped structure is called Henle loop, and the distal end of this secretory tubule is called distal convoluted tubule. Distal convoluted tubule uh, connect with the collecting duct and release the excretory product into collecting duct. Through the collecting duct, it is collecting duct open into a renal pelvis, where the remove waste product removed uh, by the renal pelvis. So Bowman's capsule carry two parts. First is Bowman's uriniferous tubule carry Bowman's capsule, and second glomerulus. Okay, and the secretory part proximal divided into proximal convoluted tubule. In short, we can write this PCT. And second Henle loop, and number 3 distal convoluted tubule, that is called in short DCT. PCT and DCT. PCT proximal convoluted tubule, and DCT distal convoluted tubule. Okay, so finally our second part of the kidney is ureter. Ureters are the tube-like structure. The renal pelvis open into ureter and transport the urine in urine which is the urine which is formed into the kidney to transport the urine to urinary bladder. Okay, next, urinary bladder. Urinary bladder collect and store urine. When it is filled with urine, then the urine is released from the body through the urethra. Help in removal of urine. Removal of urine is called micturition. Okay. Finally, here is a kidney. Kidney and its various parts, excretory systems, all the parts of the excretory system are complete. Our next topic is artificial kidney. Artificial kidney or hemodialysis. Sometime any human kidney cannot work by any infection or by any disease. In that condition, the high amount of urea is deposit in the blood. Urea, high concentration of urea is deposit in blood that cannot removed by the failure of kidney. That condition is called uremia. So it is very necessary to remove the urea from the blood. We can easily remove the high amount of urea by the using artificial kidney or hemodialysis. So let us uh, study the working or mechanism of the artificial kidney with the help of a schematic representation. Okay, this system have a box like structure which carry the tubes that is made up of semi-permeable membrane. Basically semi-permeable membranes are made up of a substance that is cellophane, and they are also called cellophane tubes. In this system, the blood from a patient is takes into the system from its artery. This tubing system is surrounded by a dialyzing solution. This dialyzing solution osmotic pressure. This dialyzing solution osmotic pressure is equal to blood osmotic pressure, and that's why the the proteins or any other proteins or any other substance like carbohydrate, hormones, fats are not moves out into the dialyzing solution from semi permeable membrane. Okay, but the blood carry the high amount of nitrogen that is not present in the dialyzing solution. That's why simple diffusion process, by the simple diffusion process, because high concentration of urea is present in the blood, that moves into these semi-permeable into these semi-permeable membrane tubing system. And when the blood moves by the urea is uh, moves into this dialysing solution by simple diffusion process. Okay, but for all other substance or which are present in the blood, these these tubes are impermeable, for other substance. That's why they cannot came out into this dialysing solution. Okay, this dialysing solution continuously replaced by a fresh dialysing solution with the help of a tube, and used dialysing solution store into a flask. Okay, then finally the filtered out blood which do not have the urea is again pumped through the uh, pumped into the body of human with the help of a pump. Okay, so it is the working of uh, artificial kidney or hemodialysis. So the hemodialysis is very helpful for the patient which kidney do not work or fail, kidneys fail, but the disadvantage or demerit of this hemodialysis. There is only one only a demerit of hemodialysis is that there is no reabsorption of salt that takes place in secretory tubule. This is the demerit of hemodialysis. Okay, our next topic is excretion in plant. Excretion in plant, basically gaseous waste, gaseous waste that is CO2, that is remove sorry that is made during the respiration, is used in photosynthesis. And the extra water removed by the process of transpiration. Okay, other waste like resin are stored in leaves and bark. So through this three process, the plant remove the excretory substance from their body, and no other harmful product are produced in the plants. Okay, after this topic, we have complete this chapter, and okay, in the next video, we'll discuss the next topic. Start the next chapter. Okay, thank you.